And today we're gonna go to TJ Maxx and Home Goods and see what we can find. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStyle Design, and today I thought I would pop in and give you a little impromptu video. I have not done any RAE DUNN hunting in a while, not since I was hunting for RAE DUNN Halloween. I'm not really into the RAE DUNN Christmas, the reds and the greens. Really, they are very Christmas colors. They're just not my style. And wouldn't complement my home very well, and I wouldn't use them. So I have made a decision to only buy items that I am actually going to use. So I was in Home Goods the other day and I saw some things that caught my eye, and I thought, I think I will use those and they will look great in my kitchen. So let me show you what I picked up. Alright guys, so the first thing I have to show you that I picked up are these soup bowls, and I would use them, so I picked them up. I love this Bah Humbug. It's perfect for the holiday, although I'm not a humbug. This year I kind of feel like one because it doesn't really seem like Christmas to me. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you feel like it feels like Christmas, or how's your holiday going? I would love to know. Leave a comment down below. So then I picked up this hangry soup bowl because a lot of times I'm really busy at work and I don't have time to eat lunch. I rarely leave my desk actually. And by the time I get home, I am hangry. because I have not eaten and people don't know how to drive and they make me angry on my way home. And yeah, so I'm hangry when I come home. So I thought this would be a very good bowl to have. I love eating noodles, so I picked up this bowl and I love soup. I want to get a set of 4 of these soup bowls, but I only found one. So I picked that up. But this is one of the items, or 4 of the items that I picked up. As I said, I want to be more purposeful. I can talk. And the things that I picked up. So this next item, I told you don't use the green and the red. But I found this cute little naughty nice set. And I thought this would be perfect. If I didn't say before, the bowls were, how much were these bowls? $5.99. And this little, sorry about that noise. This little set was $12.99. I thought they were so cute. I am the nice one, of course. Sometimes I'm naughty, but I'll mostly use the nice. And I think you can use the nice, well, actually, you can use them both year round, I think. So I picked those up. And then, sorry, the next item I picked up, it's Christmassy, but I love it. I even love the Papa Red inside, and it's Deck the Halls. So I could not leave this behind, and it was $5.99, so I picked that up. I will use it to drink my eggnog. And then this other one I found, it's just a basic mug. It says Sweetheart. And I thought it would be perfect for Valentine's Day, so I picked that up. And I will put some video of what I saw when I turned the corner after I found these items. And so let me show you what I picked up. I've never seen one of these in the wild. Probably never will again. And I found this cute little birdhouse. It's a travel fun. They had a wine stash, and a travel fun. And I love this little birdhouse, and I thought it would be perfect. I'm going to do a money saving challenge, not necessarily for travel, but I thought this would be perfect to house the money from that challenge. So a very little haul, but like I said, I am being very mindful and purposeful on what I am picking up. I only want to buy things that I'm going to use. I do not want to be a RAE DUNN hoarder. I have a small collection, way too many mugs, but you can never go wrong with a mug. So I might give some mugs away. We'll see. I just don't like to have an excess abundance of things that sit around and don't do anything. But don't let my boyfriend hear you say that, because he would not say that about all of the home decor that I have in the basement. So that's enough said. So guys, this is my RAE DUNN haul, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Again, as I said, it's a very small haul. I'm not picking up a lot of stuff, but I do like what I have. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Please consider becoming a part of my YouTube family and joining me on my YouTube journey. I am very close to 1,000 subscriber friends, family members. So please, if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. You will be helping me out. And on the plus side, you will see lots of upcoming videos that I think you will really enjoy. So don't forget to hit the notification bell after you have subscribed. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStyle Design, and as the year is winding down, I just wanted to give a big thank you from the bottom of my heart to all of my current subscribers. I love you.